Hello students, this is V. Srinivas working in SRR Government Arts and Science Degree College, Karimnagar. Today I am going to discuss about the topic is memory management in operating system. First of all, we discuss the definition of what is memory management, and already we discussed by this topic in the previous some uh, what is the briefly explain this class. So memory management is the functionality of an operating system and which handles are the management primary memory and the moves and the process back and forth between the main memory and disk during the execution. So in this memory management, the basic memory management, the topics are there: swapping and the virtual memory and the page replacement algorithms and the modeling page replacement algorithms and the design issues for the paging systems and implementation issues, segmentation. So the memory management is the functionality of an operating system. So the main important role of the memory management system, it is available for the central processing unit, the arithmetic logic unit and the control unit and the memory unit. So the memory unit is available for two types. The primary is the primary memory and the secondary storage memory. Primary is the RAM and ROM and the secondary is the hard disk and the pen drive and the compact disk, floppy disk. So these are the secondary storage devices. So computer store the information in the hard disk, 500 GB and 1 terabytes. So this type of hard disk available in the market, and we insert in the CPU central processing unit, and we use for the storage information and storage data to and the the memory management is mostly the functionality of an operating system and which handles are the fourth between the memory and the disk during the execution, and it is the key to track each and every memory locations, and regardless of the either it is the allocated to some processes or it is free, and it checks how much memory is it to be allocated to processes, and it decides and which process will get the memory at the what time, and it tracks the whenever the memory gets and the freed, and the correspondingly it updates and the status. The categories of the memory allocations, so the contiguous and the memory allocations is one of the efficient ways of the allocating main memory of the processes, and the memory is divided into two partitions, one for the operating system and another for the user processes. And in the contiguous memory allocation, each process is they contained in a single contiguous section of memory. And the memory protection, the memory protection is required to the protection operating system from the user and the process, and the user process from one another. The memory management unit maps the logical address the dynamically, that is at the runtime, by the adding the logical address to the value in and the reallocation register. The central processing unit scheduler and selects a the process to for the execution, and the dispatcher loads the limit of the reallocation and the registers with the correct values. So and the memory allocations, there are the two methods, namely so multiple partitions method and the general fixed partitions method. In the multiple partition method, the memory is the divided into the several fixed size operations. So one process the occupies each partition, and the generalization of the fixed partition scheme is used in the MBT. So MBT means multi-programming with variable number of the tasks. The operation system and keeps track of with the parts of the memory are the available in the which occupied and which occupied. Uh, this is done by the help of the table and maintained by the operating system. The solutions for the dynamic storage allocations problems. So the two types of the problems, that is the first bit and the best bit. The first bit hold that the large enough of the allocated, the searching for the holes and starts with the beginning of the set of the holes or the from the where the previous first fit search ended, and the best fit the smallest hole that is and the big enough to the accommodate the incoming, and the process is allocated if the available holes are the order, then the searching can be reduced. So worst fit, so the largest of the available and the holes to is the allocated. The fragmentation as the process of the located and the removed from the memory, the free memory space is broken into the little pieces. It happens memory blocks, and considering the small size in the memory blocks and the remains unused too, and this problem is the new as the fragmentation. So these are two types of the fragmentations, namely internal fragmentation and the external fragmentation. So what is the internal fragmentation and the external fragmentation? The internal fragmentation is the when the memory is the free internally, that is, and the inside process and what is the cannot be and the used, and we call that the fragmentation is the internal fragmentation. So external fragmentation, so when the total memory space and that is got by the adding the scattered holes in the science sufficient to satisfy a request, but it is not available the continuously, and then this type of the fragmentation called external fragmentation. So ideally the programs want the memory that is the large and the fast and the non-volatile. So memory hierarchical. So hierarchical memory, the small amount of the fast expensive memory, so cache, and the sum of the medium and the speed memory price. Main memory is the gigabytes slow and the cheap disk storage. Memory management handles the memory hierarchy. So here the basic memory management, the microprogramming without swapping or paging, and the user program and the operating system in the RAM. This is the random access memory, and the operating system is the ROM, read-only memory, and the user program. So device and the drives in the ROM, read-only memory, user program, the operating system in the RAM. This is the random access memory. So basic memory, it is this diagram is the three simple ways of the organizing of the memory: user memory and organizing the ROM and the device in the ROM. So operating system in the RAM, random access memory, user program, and the user program, the operating system is the this is the random access memory. So this three operating system, user program, that is just like we take the one C program, and the operating system is the RAM, random access memory. It is depending on the speed of the computers. So we increase the RAM size, RAM, so 250 or 1 GB RAM, so available for the market. We insert the CPU, central processing unit, automatically the speed was increased. So and the next one, user program and the operating system in the ROM, read only memory, device is the ROM, user program, and the operating system. So the diagram is the explains the programming with fixed partitions. So what is the partitions? The multiple requests. Actually, the hard disk was the we purchased in the central processing unit in the devices. The hard disk is the one of the devices. This is the memory storage area. So this purpose is used for the we can store the we are the store the some different types of information in the hard disk. First of all, we that is the 500 GB hard disk. We first installation process will be start the operating system. We do the some partitions in the operating system. It's a must, that is a C drive and D drive, E drive, F drive. So these are the different types of drives. We automatically and the partition the drives, and next one, and the single input queue, and the partition 4 and the partition 3 and the partition 2, partition 1. This is the operating system, and the fixed memory partitions, and the separate input and the queues for each partition, and the single input queue. And the next one, modeling multi-programming. So what is the modeling multi-programming? The CPU central processing unit utilization in the percent. So 20% input output and the weight, and the 50% this is the degree of the multi-programming. So what is the multi-programming? That is the multi-programming is the modeling of the multi-programming CPU utilizing of the functions and the number of the process in the memory. So the modeling multi-programming, the user used for the system to the multi-programming purpose, he can do some at a time 3-4 works. That is a program. It is the execute the program and the listen the songs and some edit the websites. So these type of combined works do at a time. That is the multi-programming. So in this, the degree of the multi-programming, central processing unit utilization in the percent, and the modeling multi-programming. So 20% of the input output weight, and 50% input output weight, and 80% of input output weight. So it was divided into three process: 80% and the 50% and the 20% degree of the multi-programming. So analysis of the multi-programming system. So in this the arrival of and work requirements for of the 4 jobs, and the CPU central processing unit utilization for the 1 to 4 jobs with the 80% and the input output weight, and the sequence of the event as the jobs and the arrive and the finish. So note the number shows amount of the central processing unit time jobs and the get in each. So here the CPU and the process, this CPU is the job and the arrival time and the multi multiple needed. So here 1 to 4, and the arrival time is the 10:15 and the 10:20. So 4 3 2 1. This is the process. The CPU idle and the CPU busy and the CPU process 80 and the 64 51 51 20 and the 36 49 59. So 20 18 18 15. So the time of the 2.0 job finishes. So arrival and work for the requirements of the jobs, and the CPU utilization for the 1 and the 4 jobs with the 80% input output weight, and the sequence of the events as this diagram explains. The job arrives for the finish, and the note the number of shows amount of the central processing unit, the time jobs get in each interval. And the next one is the rejection and the protection. So cannot be sure and where the program will be located in the memory. So address locations of the variables and the code and the routines cannot be absolute, and must keep a program out and out of the other process the partitions, and the use base and the limit values. The address and the locations are added to base value to map to physical address. So address and the locations larger than the limit values in and the error. Here this is the swapping. The memory allocation changes as the process come into the memory, leave memory, and shaded the regions and the unused memory. Here the operating system and the operating system A, operating system AB, the operating system ABC, the operating system ABC, and the operating system AB. BC. This is the field area. This is the swapping means we interchange with the one to another one. So here this operating system A, here A and B, the memory is the allocation changes as the process come into the memory, leave the memory. So here the A is the came, that is the memory area is the automatically AB. It is a allocated area. The another area is this is the memory area, and it was stored by the swapping means the operating system is already stored by the location of the drive, and automatically these sizes the increased or decreased in the already we see in the folders and the drives. We select the right side button on the mouse, select the properties. We see the how many how much of the available for the memory, and the which how much of the used the memory automatically display on the screen. So used memory and the unused memory, the memory allocation changes. So this is it is the swapping. This is called swapping, means automatically the in these diagrams the boxes are there. Each box is the A and the AB, and this is the location will be automatically changed by the third box, and the fourth box will be changed the BCB and the CB CCAD. So this is the location of the storage areas automatically changed by the shade the regions or the unused memory. So next one, the swapping. So in this swapping, the room for growth and actually in the use. So, and the room for growth and actually is in the use. Here the room for growth and the room for the growth. So A stack and the B stack, the A program and the operating system. The operating system is so, and the allocating of the space for the growing data segment and allocating space for the growing stack and data segmentation. So the memory management with the bitmaps. Here the bitmaps are P05 and the H53 and the P86 and the P144 and the H182. So P26 and the P263 and the H293X. So these are the part of the memory with the five processes, three hole, three holes, and the tick the marks show allocation the units and the shaded the regions are free. The corresponding bitmap and the same information as a list. The virtual memory, the paging, the CPU central processing unit sends the virtual addresses to the main memory unit. Here the CPU package and the central processing unit. Here the CPU package is the main memory and the sends with the physical addresses to the memory. Here the memory management unit. This is the diagram is explained that the sends the virtual address to the main memory unit and the memory and the disk controls. This is the bus. So the bus is the user for the transfer the data one place to another place. That is called the bus, and this is the CPU package. In this package, the main memory is the sends the physical address to the memory unit. So this is the partition from the main memory unit. So partition means it is divided into the hard disk storage area, that is a memory. That is a partition means we divided into the parts, that is a C drive and the D drive, E drive, E drive, F drive. So these are the different types of partition of the hard disk capacity. Hard disk 1 terabyte automatically we divided into the part by part. So and the next one is the paging. So what is the paging? So the relation between the virtual addresses and the physical memory address C given by the page of the table. So the table is the storage area, the virtual address space. So 60 KB and the 64K and the XX virtual page. So these are the 0 to 1 and 6043 and XX and the 5X 7X. These are the different types of storage areas. And the next one physical memory addresses and the 25K, 32K and the 24K. So 20K, these are the page fragmentation. And the next one is the page table. The page table is the 0 to 15 and the 0 1 2 3 4 5 15. So page table and the 12 bit offset and the copied directly from and the input to output and the outgoing the physical addresses. So incoming virtual addresses 0 and the 0 1 0 0 0. So these are the different types of page table 1. And the next one internal the operation of the MMU with the 164 KB, the page table and the top level of the page table to page and the 10 10 12. So PT1 and the PT2 offset the top level of the page table, and this is the storage areas in the page table for the top of the 4M of the memory and the 2 page. So the 32-bit addresses with the 2 page table. So the fields of the 2 level page tables. So in this table we store the some information in the memory, the two types of the top level of the page tables. So 32-bit addresses with the 2 page tables fields the 2 level with the page tables. Here the TLB says the uh, trans translation, the leukocyte and the buffers, the valid and the virtual page and the modified in the protection of the page frame. Here 1 and the 141 and the RW31. Here the TLB2 speed up and the paging. The traditional page table with an entity for each of the 252 pages, and the 256 MB physical memory has 216 and the 4 KB page, the frames and the hash tables. So indexed by the virtual page and the indexed by the hash on the virtual page and the virtual page frame. the compression of the function, the traditional page table with an inverted page the table, and the page replacement algorithm. What is the page replacement algorithm? The page fault of the forces choice, and with the page must be removed and removed by the added by the new pages, and make room from the incoming page. So in this memory areas, that is called, that is we take the one example in the removed for the pages and added for the new pages, incoming for the new pages. The modified page must be first be saved, and unmodified just and the overwritten, and the buffer not to, and the choose and the often, and the user page, and the will be probably need to be brought back in the soon. So and the reallocation, what is the memory reallocation is the process assign the load and the address to the position of the dependent and the code and data of the program, and adjusting the code and data to and reflect the assigned address. So the prior to the advent of the multi-process system, the multi-processing is the system dynamically linked and the switch between the programs. It becomes the necessary to be able to and the reallocate and the objects using the positions and the independent code, and the reallocation is typically done by the linker and the linker and the link time, and but it can be also done at the load time by time the reallocation. So the paging, explain about the paging. So what is already we discussed the page table. The paging is the memory management techniques in which the process address at the space and the broken into the blocks the same size of the called pages. So storage area, that is called just like the pieces, just divided into the pieces. The pieces are called the page, and in the size of the process and measured in the number of the pages, and the main memory is divided into small fixed size blocks, or the physical memory called as the frames, and every address generated by the central processing unit divided into two parts, a page number and a page offset, and the page number is the used as the index into the page table, and the page table is the contains the table address of the each the page in the physical memory. This base address is the combined with the page offset to the define the physical memory address, and that is the sent to the memory unit, and the page address is the called logical addresses, and the represented the page by page, and the number of page offset the frame addresses is the called physical addresses, and the represented by the frame and the number of and offset a data structure called the page, and the map table used to the keep track the reallocation of the between the pages of the process frame is the physical memory. So this is the page number and the page offset. The tables are available for the physical memory and the logical memory, and the page numbers, the central processing unit and the logical addresses and the physical addresses. So what is the page table? The information of the page table in this the page is the storage area, and the page table also the page table can be done by the several ways. In the simplest and the way, the page table is implemented as a set of the decided dedicated registers. These registers should be built and with the very high speed logic to make the paging and the address translations and the efficient. The central processing unit dispatcher the records and the reloads, and these registers just as it, and the reload the other registers, and the instructions to load the modify the page table registers. The page replacement algorithms, the page fault of the force choice, and which the page is the must be removed, and make the room is the incoming page, and the modified the page must be first saved, and the unmodified is just overwritten. So and the better not to, and the choose of often, and the used page, and the will be probably need to be and brought back in soon. So optimal page replacement algorithm. So the replace replace page needed at the uh, farthest point in the future, the optimal but the utilizable. So estimate by the lodging of the page used on the previous runs on the processes. Although this is the impracticals. So not recently used the page replacement algorithms. The page replacement. What is page replacement? The page table registers. A page table registers the PTBR is the holds the base of the address for the page and the table current process. It is the process register is the managed by operating system. The process that the support virtual memory and the must have the table based on the register accessible by the operating system. So each page has a replacement bit, modified bit. So bit is the 0 or 1. One bit is called 0 or 1. One byte is called 8 bits. That is the storage areas. The bits are the sent when the page is the referenced modified. So the pages are the classified, not referenced, not modified. So not referenced and the modified. So and the NRU removes page at the random access. Next one, FIFO, first in first out. So the we are the prepared by the different types of programs. The programs are read by different types. We enter into the memory. The areas are the memory area. First is the executed. After the second will be run and the first process is the completed. The second program is entered to the execute the second program one by one. It is the maintain the linked list pages. So in the order came into the memory and the page at the beginning and of the list of the replaced and the disadvantages page in the memory, the longest may be the often used. And the clock page replacement algorithms, when the page fault of the occurs, the page the hard is the pointing to is the inspected, the action taken and that depends on the orbit and R0 and the evict the place and the var1 and the clear or and the advance hard. Here C, D, E, F and the G, H, I, J, K, L, A. This is the page replacement algorithms and large recently used LRU. This is shortcutly we call the LRU, large recently used. Assume the pages and used for the recently will used again soon and throughout of the pages has been the unused for the largest time and must keep the linked list of the pages the most and the recent used at a front of the at least at rare and update this and every memory references and alternatively keep counter each page and the table entry. Here see that the diagram is explained the working set page and the replacement algorithms. So here the working set of the pages are used to by the most recent memory and the references size of working set at a time and the working set of page replacement algorithms. The working set here the information about one page and time of the last use and the page referenced during this thing and the page not referenced during this thing and the referenced bit and the scan all pages and examining or bit and set time to last use and the current virtual time. So removes this page and the working set of algorithm this is called. So this is the memory areas replaced by the bit. So 16202030, this is the memory storage areas and the time set of the use and the review of the page replacement algorithms. Here see the algorithm and the comments. So uh, algorithms are optimal, not implement and but useful as the benchmark and the NRU not recently used and the very crude and FIFO the first in first out might throw and the out important of pages and the second chance and the bit improvement over FIFO, first in first out, and the clock and the realistic and the LRU last recently used and the excellent but the difficult to implement exactly, and the NFU not frequently used and the fairly crude and approximation to LRU and aging efficient of the algorithm that is approximates LRU well and the working set the sum of the what the expensive to implement and the WS slack the good efficient algorithm and the modeling page replacement algorithms and the B build a anomalous uh, anomaly, so all the pages of the frames in the initially empty and the youngest page and the oldest page, so the youngest page is the 0 to 4 fulfilled by the oldest page is the off page is the fulfilled the 9 page and the false, and next one is the youngest page and the oldest page, same diagrams are there. FIFO first in first out the 3 page and the frames, and the FIFO is the 4 page frames, and the PS show with the page references show page faults. This diagram is explained the page and the rate from the distance string of the C vector and the F vector. So design issues of the paging of the systems and the local various the global of the allocation policies, and we translation of the look aside of the buffer, a translation look the aside of the buffer, this is called TL, this is called TLB, the translation look aside of the buffer. TLB is the memory cache, and that is the used to reduce the time, and the recent translations are the and the virtual memory to physical memory, and the can be called and the address translation cache some of the TLBs and the store address space of the identifiers ASIDs and in the each TLB entry. So address space identifiers ASIDs, and the ASID is the uniquely and the identifies and the each process and is used to provide the address space and the protection for the process. The page table is the length register, and the page table length register PTLR is and the to ident indicate the size of the page and the table it is and checked against every logical address to verify that the address is in uh, the valid of the range for the process, and the failures of the this test causes in and the error trap to the operating system. So the protection of the memory management system, the memory protection is the paged environment is the accomplished by the protection bits and associated with the each frame. So these bits are the kept in the page table, and the one bit can be defined a page to be read, write, or and the read only. The protection and the bits can be checked to and verify that no writes are being of the made to read only page, and the attempt to write to read only and the page costs as a hardware the trap to the operating system. We can create hardware to provide read only, read write, or the execute only protection. So shared pages, and the shared pages is another design and the issue for the paging system. It is very common for and the many computer uses to be and the running the same program at the same time in the large multi-programming computers and the system with the shared. So, and what is the paging? Explain the different types of structured page tables. Just we see the paging memory is the management technique in which is the process and the address space is the broken into the blocks. The same size of the called is the page. So it is a storage area. Same sizes of pages is called, that is called page. So the size of the process and the measured in the number of the pages, and the main memory divided into small fixed size blocks. The memory called is the frames, and every address generated by the central processing unit is divided into two parts: a page number P and the page offset. And the page number is used as an index into the page table, and the page table contains the base address of the each page is the physical memory. The common and the techniques for the structure, the page table and the hierarchy paging and the hashed paging and hashed page table, and the next one, the inverted page table. So the hierarchy page table, uh, break the up logical and the address space into the multiple pages tables, and to allocate the page table to the in main memory is the divided into the table page and into algorithm in which is the page table itself is the also the pages and the hashed page tables. The common approach for the handling the address spaces for the larger than 32 bit is to use and a hashed page table, and with the hash value and being the virtual page number. Each entry in the hash table and contains a linked list of the elements uh, that hash to the same location. Each element consists of the three fields. So what are the three fields? The virtual page number and the value of the mapped page frame, and a pointer to and the next element in the linked list. The virtual page number in the virtual address is the hashed into the hash table, and the virtual page number is compa- compared with the field 1 into the first element, and in the listed like it these, and there is a much the corresponding page frame and used to and from the design physical addresses in in there is the no match, and the subsequent and the entries in the list linked list are the searched for the matching and the virtual page number. So inverted page table. The inverted page table is has one entry for each real page of memory, and each memory consists of the virtual addresses of the page stored in the different types of real memories location with the information about the process that the owns the page, and it has only one entry for each page of the physical memory. The inverted page table often they require that and the address and the space identifiers to be stored in the each entry of the page table. Here the diagrams are the local and the various of the global allocation policies, and the next one, the load control. The despite of the good designs system may be still trash. So when the PFF the algorithms the indicates some of the process need more memory, and but no processes need less, and the solution the reduced number of the process and the competition for the memory. The swap one or more to disk, and divided up the pages they held, and reconsider degree of the multi-programming. The page size and the small page size is the advantage of less internal fragmentation and the better fit for the various data structures codes sections, and the less unused the program in the memory. And the disadvantages, the program need many pages and larger page tables. Next one, page size. The overhead due to the page table and the internal fragmentation. The page table space and the internal fragmentation. The where S is equal to the average process size in bytes, and the P page size in bytes, and the E page entry. So this is the overhead, the page table space and the internal fragmentation optimized. Here see the shared pages. This is the program 1, data 1 and the data 2, different types of informations. The page table, in this page table available for the process table is the continuation. Page number 1, program 1 executed after the data will be continued, and the data 2 will be continued after data 1 completion. So it is the one by one so completion of the programs. And the cleaning policy, the need for the background of the process paging demand, and the periodically inspects of the state memory, and when too few of the frames are the free, and select the pages to effects of the using of the replacement algorithms. It can be used and the same circular list clock as for the regular page replacement algorithms with the diff ptr. So implementation issues, operating system involvement with the paging, and the 4 times with the operating system involved with the paging, the process creations, the process execution, and the fault time, and the process termination time. So the process creation is the determine program size and the creating the page table, and the process execution MMU reset for new process, and the TLB and the flushed, the page fault time, and the determine virtual address, and the caching fault of the swap, and the target page out, and the needed page in, and the process in termination time, the replace page table pages, the page fault handling, the hardware traps to kernel, and the general registers saved, and the operating system determines with the virtual page needed, and the operating system checks validity of the address and the 6 page frame, and the if selected frame directly write it into the disk. So thank you students, this is the memory management and the memory information of the memory management system, and how to store the types of pages in the memory management. The operating system main important part is that this is the memory management system. This is the storage areas of the hard disk, and the different types of partitions. In this partitions, the page wise it stored the information, multi programming stored by the different types of information. So this is the memory management system. So thank you students.